Jill from Glimmerbug, and today I wanted to share with you what I've been doing for my 100-day project. So I found these tins on Amazon. I thought they were really kind of cute, and I was kind of challenging myself to, what can I do with these? And I decided for my 100-day project that I'm going to make little watercolor cards or mixed media cards, kind of whatever I have on my desk. I will make into a card. So I've got my first 10 days in here to share with you. And they're mostly watercolors because that's usually what I have on my desk since I teach a lot of watercolor classes, both online and in studio. So I would say a majority of my of these cards will be watercolor. And look at, I've got them all cut up and ready to go, counted out by tens. So I'll be in good shape to just keep on going and not have to worry about stopping to cut my cards up, and I've got them all ready. So I'll share with you what I've done so far. So I always have these like little words on my desk. So I thought I'm going to start using those as well. So kind of neat, just like a little doodle, bunch of little doodles. And then this cute little girl, she's got like a little pom-pom head. I loved her. I'm not really thinking too much about it as I doodle. I just kind of paint what I feel like. And then I use my little stamp on the back to put the date on. This was just like bubbles. I wanted to try out some swatched color of blues, so I made some bubbles. And then I started doing like a little house with some little flowers. I have on my desk in my studio a very large, it's like a cell phone case holder for, like, you know, kids in school, for the teacher to put in the front of the class. So everybody has to put their cell phones in. And in each one of the slots, I've got a different envelope that I've made that has, one has houses in it, one has botanicals in it, one has words in it. It's so I've got quite a bevy of things to choose from. So that's what I did there. Some little doodly ones. And then this girl, I saw a painting on, I think it was Pinterest. And it was it's very, very similar. I forget the name of the person who posted it, but it just really kind of was a cute little idea. And I thought, if I want to go kind of do something similar to this direction, not exactly this, but I just wanted to have it in my idea file, which I think this is a good idea file. So I thought she was kind of cute. And then some different triangles, pulling up some color, just having the darker edges. And I'm not freaking out when things bleed over. It's not, we're not going there. And the same thing as with the girl. I saw this on Pinterest and I thought that's really cute, the bird houses, or the bird cages rather. So that might be something to make into a bigger piece. Here's another swatch with just a ton of different blues and purples and aquas. That could be a nice background for something. More houses. I love doing houses. Houses are kind of my thing. Houses and flowers and birds and owls and animals. Those are kind of my go-tos. And then this is one from today. So this was actually, I love Kate Crane. She's a mixed media artist, and she's just fabulous, fabulous, very whimsical. And she had posted a picture of like something she did with her stamps, and I thought, oh, that's really kind of cute. So I'm gonna do sheep. I have all sheep in my house for decoration. So I kind of was drawn to the sheep, and then I just kind of doodled a little bird. So yeah, so this is what I've got for my first 10 days of my 100-day project. It's kind of like going to be a little, you know, idea file to work off of and see what works, and, you know, maybe come up with some different lessons for future classes or that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed what I've got here, and then I will post more as the time ticks by and I start filling up my little container. I'll probably need a couple of these by the time this project is done, but maybe I can fit 20 in each one. We'll see. and then I'll have to decorate them. But it's kind of a fun little project. So if you want to visit me online at Glimmerbug Art or glimmerbug.com, I will be posting these pictures to my blog so that you can check them out a little bit closer. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.